Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. Today we find ourselves in the historic town of Bellefontaine, Ohio. Bellefontaine is actually a French word that means beautiful spring. Bellefontaine is just the English way of saying it. Here I got this off Google Translate. This is the French pronunciation. Bellefontaine was originally founded by a Shawnee war chief named Blue Jacket. He called it Blue Jacket's Town. He fought against the Americans in the Revolutionary War. He chose this area to be a little bit closer to his British allies in Detroit. Bellefontaine boasts a population of about 14,000 people. Check these buildings out on your left and right. This is one of the reasons I love small town America. Get off the interstate, check out these wonderful historic towns.
Court Avenue 1891, oldest concrete street in America.
As we make the left here, you can see the statue of George Bartholomew, who invented the concrete paving process with Portland cement. This is the first concrete street ever in the United States.
We are here for Sweet Aroma, if I can find parking.
Why am I stopping at Sweet Aromas, you might ask? If you watched my Alaska series, you'll know I found their sticker at the Arctic Circle. I was hoping to meet the owner here, but she was not in today. But let me tell you what an amazing black raspberry turnover they have here. Wow. Here on the right, you can see the historic Holland Theater. It's listed on the National Register of Historic Places. It opened in the 30s as a live theater, but later converted to a 5-screen megaplex before closing in 1998. It's been reopened recently for live performance. It was renovated back in 2019. Bellefontaine was also a railroad town back in the 1820s. The Mad River and Lake Erie Railroad built the first railroad to Bellefontaine. This began its reputation as a railroading town. In the 1890s, the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago, and St. Louis Railway, also called the Big Four Railroad, built a main terminal in the city. Back in the day, it boasted the largest roundhouse between New York and St. Louis. Okay, as we make one final pass through town, I hope you got something out of this. If you would, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. If you're ever in the neighborhood, Bellefontaine is a really cool looking old town. It's worth a side trip, I think. and take some time, check out the shops, check out the places to eat. This town is definitely on a repeat list for me. I do plan on coming back here in the spring of 2024 to find some cool places to have lunch maybe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.